Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all fine at home. Now, I am going to start your quadrilaterals worksheet. Okay? Two questions were given here and the third question is purely objective. The first one, see, in the following figures, ABCD is a parallelogram. In each case given above, find the values of x and y. Okay? Right here, the first one, see. We have an idea, that is a property, that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Then you equate these two and these two. 4x is equal to 6y plus 2. So, x is equal to 6y plus 2 by 4. You can do with the two table cancellation. 2 into 3y plus 1 by 4. Cancel 2 times. Is equal to 3y plus 1 by 2. This is the value of x. From this here, 4y is equal to 3x minus 3. What is x? Please write. So 4y is equal to 3 into 3y plus 1 by 2 minus 3. Now we can solve it like the same. 4y is equal to 3 into 3, 9y plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 3, that is 6 by 2. Cross multiply. So 8y is equal to 9y minus 3. So bring 3 to this side and y to that side. 3 is equal to 9y minus 8y. Therefore, y is equal to 3. We got y value. Now find out x value. Substitute in this place. So what you know, x is equal to 3y plus 1 by 2. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. 10 by 2, that is 5. So x is equal to 5. So what we got here, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 5. So please do this work. Summa. If you complete it, please check your answer. Okay? Solving is very important. Please go through that problem. I'll go first second summa. Okay, I am going to second sum. You can mark, naming is not given, you can mark. 6x plus 3y minus 8. 4x plus 20. It's given 7y. Now please see in your picture, please adjust the values now. Sorry, ma, this is not correct. Here, see. These are the values. Now, opposite angles are equal, that we know. 6x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 7y. Bring y to that side. 6x minus 8 is equal to 7y minus 3y, 4y. Okay? Or y is equal to 6x minus 8 by 4. With the 2 table, if you divide both, 3x minus 4 by 2 will come. Now, the other relation is not given. So, what we are going to use is add these two. Sum of the co-interior angles. 4x plus 20 plus 7y is equal to 180. So 4x plus 7y is equal to 160. What is y value? Substitute here. 4x plus 7 into 3x minus 4 by 2. Okay? Is equal to 160. 2 into 4, 8x plus 21x minus 28 is equal to 320. 28 you bring to that side, 348 will come. 29x is equal to 348. Therefore, x is equal to 348 by 28. See with the fourth table first, 4 sevens, 4 eights, 7s. X is equal to 87 by 7. We are getting a decimal value, not 320 correct only. No problem, decimal value will come. Maybe these values she gave wrong, it since the original paper is not with me. Okay? Don't worry, it is not a mistake. Substitute in y value, right? So y is equal to 3 into 87 by 7 minus 4 by 2. So y is equal to minus 28 by 7 into 2. This is also fraction coming. So mistake is with the problem only. I will solve it later. Okay? I will check what the question. 11 minus 8, you can write like this 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 2. 233 by 14 is the value of y. You copy like this only because according to this data that answer only will come. Okay, don't worry. Right. I'll go for the next sum. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:2. Second sum. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. So the ratio among the angles of a quadrilateral are 3:4:5:6. Okay, right. Therefore, 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 180. Find the angles, that is the question. So 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So 18x is equal to, sorry, 360. 360. So x is equal to 360 by 18, nothing but 20. Therefore, all the angles to find out. Therefore, 3x is equal to 60 degrees. 4x is equal to 80 degrees. 5x is equal to 100 degrees. 6x is equal to 120 degrees. If you add, you will get 360 degrees. Right, true or false, I will tell orally. Okay. The diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. It's correct. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Wrong. So first one true, second false. Shall I write answers here? Third question. In third, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at right angles. False. They bisect each other, not by right angles. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. They bisect each other perpendicularly. Okay? The question is it's not fully satisfied, so we can keep false. So true. Bisect each other is correct, but perpendicularly also it is correct. The quadrilateral whose four sides are equal is a square. It is half correct, so false only you should write. Every rhombus is a parallelogram. True. Every parallelogram is a rhombus. Need not be. So false. Diagonals of a rhombus are equal. No. False. If two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, it is a rhombus. If two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, it is a rhombus. True. So 10th one. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, the quadrilateral is a square. Can be taken as a square or rhombus. Okay, square is correct. Square is also a rhombus, so square correct. True you can write. So this is about your worksheet. Clear children? Children, you are not following the classes regularly, no? Please follow the classes regularly and go through the notes what I am giving and prepare for your exams, coming exams. And 8th class you are having quadrilaterals exam next week. Okay? I am going to give properties also like this. Please go through the properties. Clear children? Right. Children, yesterday I completed 4 sums and 5 sums from this. I stopped with that because some urgent meeting was conducted. I went there. Now I am going to start 5th, 6th, 7th sums for you in this third Roman. I will finish these 3 sums and I will stop today's class. Okay? Right. Now in this, all the like terms you gather. X cube. You observe the powers. Here x cube. Here x cube. All x cube terms you write. 3x cube minus x cube minus 2x. Then x square terms. minus 5x square minus x square plus 2x square plus 3x square. X plus 6x plus x minus 9x plus 4x. Constants 7 plus 4 11, 11 minus 8 3, that's it, plus 3. I simplified the constants and I wrote. Now add them. Now 3 minus 1, here it is 1. 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. So 0 into x cube minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4x square minus 4 plus 3 minus 1x square. See here, 3 plus 2 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. You can do like this, and minus x square is left over. 6x plus 7x 7, 6x plus 1 7x, 7 plus 4 11, 11 minus 9 2 plus 2x plus 3. So this term vanishes here. Minus x square plus 2x plus 3. If you add, you will get this third sum, third Roman 12. Okay. Meanwhile, you copy and write question. Plus x cube plus 5 x square y minus xy square minus 3x cube plus 8x cube plus xy square. See one student, x cube is there, y cube is there, xy square is there, x square y is there. All are different. Which are like you select. Okay. Now first I am writing x cube. X cube. Anyway, minus 3x cube plus 8x cube minus 2x cube. All x cube terms I wrote. Y cube minus 2y cube plus 5y cube, that's it. That's it. Next, plus 3xy square. Xy square comes to say, this is x square minus xy square plus xy square. Next, plus 5x square y plus 9x square y. Okay. Now I am going to have this one. See once. 8 plus 1 9, 9 minus 5. Okay, positive x cubes I added, negatives I added and I wrote. Minus 2y cube plus 5y cube. Both together you can write plus 3y cube. Minus 2 plus 5. 5 minus 2, 3, 3y cube. Okay. Next. Then xy square minus xy square plus xy square. These two gets cancelled. 3xy square is left over plus 3xy square Last two terms both are positive, add 14 x square y. Now simplify these two still. 4x cube plus 3y cube plus 3xy square plus 14 x square y. This is the answer. Okay? I am going to do the sixth sum. Meanwhile, you complete the sum. Sixth sum is little 6 over 7. These are fractions. Children, I did not give any works to you. I am doing everything. Because these are all new for you. Right, children, first x square terms you write. Finished, ma? Should I write? Two by 3 x square minus x square plus 2 by 3 x square. This one over, this one over, this one over. Y square you take. Minus 1 by 4 y square plus 2y square minus 5 by 4 y square. Next term is xy plus 1 by 3 xy minus 2 by 3 xy minus xy. Okay, children, what I did is question first I wrote here. I clubbed the like terms, means I gathered all the like terms together and I am going to do now solving. Here, but these are given fractions. How to solve? See. Now 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 4 by 3. X square minus x square by 1. So these 2 I made. Okay, now these 2 minus 6 by 4 y square plus 2y square by 1. Means these 3 together I made 2. Next 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 xy minus xy by 1. Means what I did here, all 3 terms I made 2 terms. Now I should plug. Okay, so LCM is 3. 4x square minus 1 3 times. 3 into x square, 3x square. Minus, here you can cancel 3 times and 2 times. So 2 is LCM. 3y square, 1 2 times. 2 into 2, y square minus 3 is LCM. 1 into xy minus 1 3 times 3xy. Now the answer C. X square by 3 means 4 minus 3, 1 x square. If you want, write minus 4y square minus 3y square plus y square by 2, 1y square by 2. So minus xy minus 3xy minus 4xy by 2. So this is the final answer because this is x square term, this is y square term, this is xy term. Everything is different. Okay? So the third Roman concept That is addition of algebraic expressions I completed. Tomorrow I am going to start fourth Roman. Okay? Thank you children. Copy the sum. Okay, mom? Stay safe at home, children, and do the addition of these sums once again all the third Roman. So repeat third Roman as homework. Again do.